Fans, welcome to Gossip Big TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, Rosie no go get peace. Those of una wey dey say make she not do interview again. Hey, make she not talk again. Rosie will continue to talk. No peace for the wicked. Hey, una never know where they carry Rosie name go. They carry Rosie name go one place. Oh, this thing no be ordinary thing. We think say na physical battle. Rosie is fighting spiritual battle. Hey, God. We don't know how we go take help Rosie. Rosie need help. Those of una wey dey call am for interview, the woman need help. Her body dey hot. The only thing wey go free Rosie na make she confess. Make she confess. Because this thing na spiritual battle. Tonto Dike carried Rosie name go one place. Now that thing na dey fight Rosie. Hey! Wonder shall never end before una go talk say gossip big say gossip big say. Now the people of NSPPD, now they don't come out for comment section come tell Rosie say, Rosie, the day Tonto Dike prayed for her marriage, say everything when it happen, may God have mercy, on the altar of NSPPD. Hey, they say now that day, now Rosie wahala starts. Rosie name dey for NSPPD altar. Rosie have not slept for 3 days since when that pikin do birthday. Rosie never sleep. Her body dey hot am. This is not physical, it is spiritual. Tonto Dike don go pray for NSPPD altar. The fire of NSPPD na dey worry Rosie. Imagine fighting a battle with God. Hey, where you want for even start? Are you going to tell God to fight himself or tell Jesus to fight God? Or you won't call? This one don't pass Rosie. The only solution, Rosie just confess or do public apology to Tonto Dike. You know what you did against this woman. Hey, you know how you take scatter this woman marriage. All those your long lie where you dey talk before you even start, they don't catch you say you dey lie. This is NSPPD altar of fire that is fighting you. You no go fit fight this battle. Because of the evil things when you do, you know wetin you do. They say you carry Tonto Dike name. You carry Tonto Dike marriage go tie. Hey! They say na God na even save the pikin wey Tonto Dike born. That pikin head strong. Your eyes don't dey for churchy. Said churchy was not your spec. Whereas your kpekus don already dey drip water. Tay for churchy. Your kpekus was already dripping water. Even before churchy even toast you. You say churchy is not your spec. The people wey near you say na the pikin na you born remove for road o. But that pikin head over strong. Say you dey fear that pikin because you do different things against that pikin, no work. You carry Tonto Dike marriage, you go tie am. Use Tonto Dike take turn against churchy. You go do something say make Tonto Dike become fire for inside house. Everything wey Tonto Dike do churchy, now you cause am. Now you carry that woman head turn against her husband. You can't use 2 of the head hit Igboyi. You not do anything to churchy o. Churchy come dey wonder say, wetin come dey happen to my wife? This is the woman that says she love me. Wetin come dey happen? When she born, we sit down, we take picture together, we care for the child, we love the child. He said Tonto Dike come become something else. Madam, they say now you do am. They say now you go scatter the house. Now you blow powder for Tonto Dike face for night. The woman not call the see road again for daytime. She come dey see her husband as enemy. So fight. You do everything, you come fall down the weight, make everything scatter finish. Hey, Rosie. Wonder shall never end though. Now she don't do all these things. She no end for there. She constantly go do another one. turn this pikin against the father. No be say she can't use Tonto Dike. Now no say she reuse Tonto Dike, eh? Ah. If you no get papa, you no get mama, run enter church. If you no get mama, Tonto Dike papa dey but he don old. Men, e dey very difficult for you to see men when be say that they waka for their children. Now mothers, now they mostly dey waka. Go different churches, anywhere where they say one prophet they come. Now I make you see all these Nigeria prophets that they make money. Because some mothers, they must go inside hole because of their children. And we all know say Tonto Dike no get mama again. She no get mama. Now I make hand meet Tonto Dike reach like this. You see this Rosie, he and the mama, hey, they do all the charm way they Gambia finish. They do all on top of Tonto Dike head. They turn Tonto Dike to almost kilometers woman. This woman could they do different things. She no know say now waiting they pour for her body. Now they walk. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. After Rosie don't do all these things, can't turn Chochi, can't turn do Tonto Dike so that Tonto Dike no go ever carry pikin give Chochi again. After she don't do all this bad thing finish, she feel say she don't win. Until Tonto Dike go drop her name for NSPPD. Now there wahala for start. They say na fire of NSPPD na they born Rosie. People don't tell her say go the altar, make you go pray. She say she no dey go. The fire never burn her reach now. This one now only to the kolo, she the kolo now because this one na kolo. Since 3 days you dey explain. Wait till you dey explain, we no understand. Keep on repeating lies and lies and lies. Today you come up with A, tomorrow you come up with B. Everything you dey talk, no one coordinate. You just lying. They say no be ordinary or Rosie. They say they don't go drop your name for the altar of NSPPD. It's either you go and beg God for forgiveness, whether I go forgive you, or you confess what you do. Because how can you turn Tonto Dike, use Tonto Dike to come between father and son? They say na una Rosie na do am. Na he just turn Tonto Dike eye against, use Tonto Dike to operate between father and son. This union way happen so. Now that same altar of NSPPD. Now they break every shackles when Rosie tie Tonto Dike for grant. All those things now do they backfire. Now the charm and juju way she do, now it do backfire so. The altar of NSPPD, they fire Rosie. All she need to do is confess or pray to God for forgiveness. Wonder shall never end. Now that altar na Tonto Dike tell you, Rosie, go seek for the forgiveness of sin. Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Gossip Big TV. God bless you.